Dumela mohi e betse ke nako ditaba tsa Sesotho thapameng ena ke Mall of Casting Letlalo pele ke ditaba tsa tsona.
We can confirm that indeed, as you can see, the traffic is starting to build up. We are currently experiencing about 1,600 vehicles an hour that are leaving the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
Mothama sephethephethe o lebeletse hore o eketsehe mafelong ana a beke.
Sibeya a tlosa ka bonako ya boetela le letsoa.
Dipapading All Stars e voutetsweng ke balatedi ba bolo ke bompudi ba mohobe wa Carling Fleglewa. Harbe ro amhele mohi phalo ya sephethephethe ho lebeletse hore e eketse mafelong ana a beke jwalo ka ha batho ba kgutla matsatsing a phomolo.
Balaola sephethephethe ba re tshubuhlelano sephethephethe e qadile maopane moo ho neng ho feta makoloi a fetang sekete ka hora mmileng ona wa N3.
We visited Belito, we're going back to Joburg.
Roads have been good, people are behaving. That's good to see the police on the road, catching all the drunken drivers.
Ba ka taolong ba re ba ne ba lebelletse tshubuhlelano le diteiso tsa phalo ya sephethephethe mmileng ona ka lebaka la ho lokiswa ha mahlakore a mang a mmila wa N3.
We can confirm that indeed, as you can see, the traffic is starting to build up. We are currently experiencing about 1,600 vehicles an hour that are leaving the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
Balaola sephethephethe ba phaelletse ka hore phalo ya makoloi a lebang Gauteng e lebelletswe ho eketseha le ho feta hosane.
Baahi ba mekhukhu ya Denver ka borwa ba Johannesburg ba re ba lahletswe ke thepa ya bona ka lebaka la dipula tse neleng matsatsing a mabedi a fetileng.
Baahi ba mona ba boetse ba welwa ke koduwa hape. Ba bangata ba ile ba bewa sebakeng sena ka mora mollo o ileng wa tjhesa moaho wa Usindiso Marshall Town ka Phato ngwahola moo ba neng ba dula teng.
We ended up being moved from Usindiso building when it was burned. After that, we were moved to Wembley, from Wembley to Kalami to Wharfland. After that, we have been moved here in November.
So what's very disheartening is that it's difficult to always get people to assist with food parcels and things, and a lot of the goods that were sponsored, like baby formula, got wet, mealie meal got wet, people's clothes were wet.
Baahi ba bangata ba hlahisitse ngora ho e kgolo mabapi le maemo a mekhukhu le sebaka seo ba dulang ho sona ka kakaretso.
When I first arrived here, I did say this place doesn't look like it has any drainage, and the court order was that the city had 60 days to remedy the situation.
Ka uleleng bakganni ba ditekesi Bloemfontein ba ngorehile ka morao kwalwa ha mmila o mogolo o hokelang location le toropo. Ba re ena ke sitiso e kgolo jalo ka ha ba sebedisa mmila ona letsatsi le letsatsi.
We found out that the problem here, it is not necessarily the negligence of the municipality. It is a problem of cable theft.
Masipala o moholo wa Mangaung ha o so fane ka lesedi le felletseng mabapi le ho bulwa ha mmila ona.
ANC re e kgathile tema ho fumaneng barumuwa ba tla ho emela mokga ho sebeletseng setjhaba mme e boletse sena jwalo ka ha e lokisetsa puo ya mokga ya January 8.
Phoebe Potgieter-Tobule o re puo ya 8 January inkwe le seipone sa mokga sa ho lekola tema eo o e kgathileng.
Reviewed from our previous January 8 statement was around the ANC renewal, beefing up the monitoring and evaluation capacity of the ANC to be able to monitor its organizational structure, our membership, our branches.
Komiti ya ANC e tadimang le tekolo ya ditshebeletso tsa mmuso le tsamaiso e re menyenyetsi ya bobodu e kgahlano le letona la thuto e phahameng Blade Nzimande e lokela ho sekasekwa ka potlako.
Where there are allegations against particular deployees at a senior level, those matters, there's a procedure to deal with that. The SG calls in the particular deployee. If there are substance to it, the matters then referred to the Integrity Commission.
Kaulele mongodi e moholo wa SACP Soli Mapaila o se o lotse ka bohale ditho tsa mehleng tsa umkhondo wesizwe tse kenyeletsa mo president wa mehleng Jacob Zuma.
President Zuma, we fought for him as the Communist Party to be president. When we thought wrong things were being done against him, he became president. Now there were 5 priorities. He left office without achieving any of them.
Mohokanyi wa mokgatlo wa Mekaubere ya Umkhonto wesizwe MKMVA then Hato o tshositse ka hore Zuma o tlo tobana le ditlamorao tsa mohato o a o latetseng.
President Jacob Zuma does understand how significant December 16 is to veterans of Umkhonto wesizwe, because so many of our comrades laid down their lives.
ANC ibile le seboka sa megatlo ya ditaba Mbombela Mpumalanga se lelekelang puo ya selemo le selemo ya mokga ya January 8.
Kgallo ya basebeletsi ba sebetsang ka di-X-ray dipetleleng tsa mmuso North West ke sesosa sa suhlellano ya bakudi ba hlokang di-X-ray.
Basebetsi ba tshwenyehileng ba re ba ngongoreiswa ke gore ka nako ena ya selemo dikotsi tsa mebileng di eketseha haholo, mme o hlokahala palo e lekaneng ya baoki ba sebetsang ka di-X-ray dipetleleng. Mokgatlo wa baoki Afrika Borwa e leng dinosa ka bokgutshwanyane o re diphetoho tsena di tlile ka mora hore ho nkuwe qeto le tumelano ya hore baoki ba sebetsang ka di-X-ray ba se hlole ba theohela nako e fetang dihora tse itseng ka kgwedi.
People who are badly affected are the radiographers because they were affected by the DPSA circular that said employees must not work more than 30% overtime.
Empa lefapha la bophelo provinceng le re tumelano ena ha iso baki bothata.
Re fitlhetse gore ga gona crisis. Yes, balwetsi ba tla ba le bantsi mme ba leta. Ba letang gantsi ke balwetsi ba ile gore ba fitlhelwa gore ga se ba emergency. Balwetsi botlhe ba ba tlhokang go bona ka potlako ba thusiwa ka potlako. Hospital e netefaditse gore ka nako tsotlhe go na le radiographer o leng gore o on standby ha go ka nna gore go na le emergency.
Lefapha le re le tlameha ho khumarela melawana e reng basebetsi ba tlameha ho se sebetse go feta dihora tse itseng. Selwane Gagau, SABC News, Mahikeng.
Mosadi wa Kimberley Mary Bailey ya dimori mashome a mane a metso meraro ya ileng a thungwa le bolawa ke molekane wa mehleng o bolokile ba jeno. Bailey o ne a hloka le pele a fihla sepetlele.
Maikutlo a ne a ile magoletsa fa go ne go felegediwa mosadi yo tlhalositseng jaaka Pilara ebile a ne a lorato. Kereke ya Methodist e ne tletse phetelela mme batla phitlhong ba ne ba rapelela Bailey la bofelo. Masika le ditsala bare go bolawa ga gagwe go ba garotse dipelo, ba re Bailey o ne a utlwela batho botlhoko.
Re utlwile botlhoko, re kwatile. Mendi ne le motho wa batho. E le motho thusang batho botlhe, ana le lerato.
One of the things that we're going to miss the most is that she always cared for people and she was always there for everybody.
Go sotlakakiwa ga basadi ke tlhoba boroko mo nageng ya Afrika Borwa. Mogaratlhela ditshwanelo tsa bong a re go bolawa ga basadi le bana mo nageng go tlhoka tsereganyo.
It is time to take us seriously as women, and also for the women out there. It's important for the women to start to speak out. Stop the silence.
Masika le ditsala tsa ga Bailey ba re ba solofela fa loso la gagwe e ka se nne la lofela, ba re molao o diragadiwe. Monna yo latofadiwang ka go thuntsa le go bolaya Bailey o tlile go tlhagelela kwa kgotlatshekelong mo bekeng e tlang ka la bobedi. Tebogo Msimanga, dikgang tsa SABC mo Kimberley mo Northern Cape.
Sehlopha sa All Stars se hlotse sa Stellenbosch ka dintlha tse pedi ho ile nngwe dipapading tsa mohope wa Cullen Black Label Stadium sa New Peter mo Kabaka jeno ha re bone dintlha kgolo.
They warmed up in normal weather, dry ground, and suddenly and it could get worse here for Stellies. With us in on goal, could be a chance to fire one in. Just dilly-dallied a little bit too much on the ball, but hang on! Ntantala make his mark in the cunning knockout. Priya sends St. Stephen's the wrong way. 2-0.
Wow! Sibea, baitlosa ka bonako. Ya boyatlela le letloa. Abusedi no se kwa morago. Abo go tsena sengwe mo kgetsing. Motho wethu, ga bo go nna jalo. motsereganyi re Thando Ntshantseka a ba kokomosa mafatla lekgetlo la ntlha la bobedi la boraro go ka bokgotlhotsho motshameko Calling All Stars ke bona ditshimega ba bona jalo dimilione di le pedi mo motshamekong Itumeleng Khune a itumeletse seo.
Congratulations, huge prize money, 2 million rand goes to these players to be shared collectively among this team of 23. OJ, it's been a wonderful occasion and glad to be able to share it with you.
Ditshimega tsa 2024 tsa Calling Black Label jaaka bona boitumelo mo difatlegong tsa bone.
Jela ha re bone hore re ka lebella maemo a jwang a le hodimo sane. Dibile kalo za thapameng ena mohi fumana ditaba tsa Setswana ka yona nako ena hosane mo fihlela nako e tlang ha ya teng.